If you want to make money online without any skills, without investment, and without even showing your face, then affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. This is one of the fastest ways beginners are earning real income online in 2025. And no, you don't need a website, you don't need followers, and you definitely don't need to create your own product. You just promote other people's products and get paid. So, what is affiliate marketing? It's simple. You promote other people's products online. You get a special, unique link. When someone clicks that link and buys something, you get paid a commission. That's literally it. No dealing with customer support, no shipping, and no upfront investment. So, how do you actually start? There are 3 simple steps to follow. First, choose a niche. This is the topic you'll focus on. Pick something you're interested in, or thus go with a popular one like fitness, making money online, beauty, tech gadgets, or even software tools. These are always in high demand. Second, join an affiliate program. There are tons of beginner-friendly websites that accept almost anyone. You can check out Amazon Associates, Digistore24, ClickBank, Aun, PartnerStack, the Canva Affiliate Program, or even Paylead. Just sign up, find a product you like, and copy your special affiliate link. Third, create content and promote your link. And here's the best part, you don't need a website. You can promote your links through YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook groups, Pinterest, or even answering questions on Quora. Just create simple content talking about the product and tell your viewers the link is in your description, bio, or in the comments. So, what kind of content works best? Honestly, simple content is king. Think reviews, tutorials, top 5 lists, product comparisons, or even screen recordings. You don't need to show your face. Just explain the benefits of the product and clearly tell people where they can find your link. Now, the big question, how much money can you actually make? As a beginner, you could start earning around $20 to $100 per day after just a few weeks of consistent posting. More experienced affiliates often earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month, or even more. It all depends on how much content you create and the value of the products you choose to promote. If you want my full detailed guide, a list of high-paying products, free resources, and step-by-step video instructions to get you started, I've put everything for you in the description and the pinned comment below. Seriously, start today. Don't wait. Affiliate marketing, one of the easiest online income methods for beginners in 2025. Your affiliate link can start earning money for you even while you're sleeping. Check the description now. All the details you need are right there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.